Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Students, in this video we are going to study class 9 social science assessment worksheet number 3 dated for 18th of August. As you all know, the DOE sending assessment worksheet every week to check what students have learned in previous worksheet, and in this process today we will discuss assessment worksheet number 3. So first of all, write your name and your class teacher name. और जो भी बच्चे, आप अगर इंग्लिश मीडियम के हैं, हिंदी मीडियम की वर्कशीट हमने अपलोड कर दी है, और जो इंग्लिश मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो इस वर्कशीट से अपनी वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the part of Himalaya lying between the Indus and Satluj river is called. We have learnt about Himalaya, parts of Himalaya, Himadri, Shivalik, and the three parts, and Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal and Assam Himalaya. So the part that lies between Indus and Satluj is Punjab Himalaya. A is correct answer. So you have to darken this circle. Next, which of the following range of Himalayas is known as Greater Himalaya? Himalayan range, Shivalik, no. B, Himadri. Himadri is known as the Greater Himalayan range. So please darken the circle of option B. Next question, the highest peak of Western Ghat. Western Ghat highest peak Anaimudi. C is correct answer. Fourth, the plain formed by the deposition of the older alluvium which resembles terrace like structure is called Babar. A is correct answer. Next, which of the following structure is made up by the deposition of the volcanic materials? Peninsular plateau, Himalayan, no. Northern. B is correct answer. Darken the circle of question option number B. Sixth question, the crescent shaped dunes found in the Indian desert is called Barkhans. B is correct answer. Now moving ahead, let us read the instruction. In question number 7 to 10 given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and the reason R. Read the statement and darken the circle in the correct option given below. So students, in each question there are two statements. First is assertion A, second is reason. Now reading and comprehending these two, we have to decide whether A, B, C, which one is correct. The condition is A. When A is correct means both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is correctly explaining the assertion A. B. Both assertion and reason are true but reason R is not correct explanation of assertion A. C. Assertion A is correct and reason R is incorrect. D. Assertion A is incorrect and reason R is correct. So these are the conditions, 4 conditions. Which one is applies for the question? You have to tick and darken the circle. So let us read question number 7. Eastern coastal plains is wide. Several rivers form delta here. Correct? Both are correct and region R is explaining it. So answer is A. 8th, the desert area has sparse vegetation. Correct? The desert area receives scanty rainfall. करेक्ट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत कम बारिश होती है, रेन स्केंट. सो आंसर इज करेक्ट. व्हेन देयर इज नो रेन, हाउ कैन vegetations will grow. 9th, the northern plain of India is densely populated area. Correct. The northern plain in India is flat and formed by the alluvium brought by the rivers. Both are correct, but region R is not the perfect explanation, not perfectly explaining for the populated area. So B is correct answer. 10th, the plateau area of India is very rich in mineral deposition. Correct. It is formed by the deposition of alluvium brought. Incorrect. So option C is correct. So students, your 9th class assessment worksheet number 3 is completed. Please complete it and share with your teacher. Thank you.